guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another Thredup unboxing. It's been quite a while I should say, since the last time I ordered one of these Thredup mystery boxes. This time I did the 25-piece women's box, so it's just 25 items. It's supposed to be all women's, and it could be anything, pants, skirts, whatever. I think it's always clothing though. I don't think I've ever had shoes or handbags in this box. I've ordered this one several times before, but like I said, it's been quite a while since I've done one. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump in. If you guys are new around here, my name is Lisa. I am a full-time reseller and I'm a mom. 6 kids, and between my husband and I, we have 6 kids, so it's pretty busy around here. The oldest doesn't live with us anymore. My husband's oldest daughter is almost 23, so she's already moved out. But anyways, let's see. We have our little packing slip on top. I think this box is, yeah, it's $60 for this box. I didn't have any credits this time. I just needed an inventory, and sometimes it's not easy for me to get to the thrift store. So buying these boxes helps supplement my inventory, because I'm listing 15 items a day right now, and I list on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. I stopped listing on Facebook Marketplace because it wasn't worth my time. So okay, it's all wrapped up, so I'm gonna unroll it here. All right, so looking promising already. So the first thing on top is Trina Turk. It doesn't say a size. It's a dress, a knit sweater dress, and it has these details on the arm, some buttons. I mean, the style's not super current, but it is still a good brand, and it looks like it's in great condition, so I will definitely list that. Next up, this is Calvin Klein. Again, I don't see a size. I wonder if I got the no size box, because they don't take items that are missing a size. So yeah, it's this Calvin Klein. It's a jacket, blazer jacket kind of thing. And it has the tweed, black and white tweed. Again, no size, so I'm gonna have to do some measuring, it looks like. Let's see, there's a leather jacket here. Oh, it's just Forever 21. It is new with tags though. It's got a hood. That's what it, I thought there was like a piece of clothing stuck inside of here, but it has a hood that buttons in and out, and it's like halfway buttoned. It's new with tags, and it's a plus size 2X, but it's a faux leather jacket. I will list this. I don't like listing Forever 21, but I will list it because it's plus size and new with tags. Otherwise I would not have. But yeah, so that's 3 items so far. All right, next we have more new with tags. That's good. Sweet Romeo, size small, 100% acrylic, just a plain black sweater. I probably won't list this one, even though it's new with tags. I think I'll put this in one of my reseller boxes. I'm going to do a new with tags reseller box. So here's another new with tags, same brand, Sweet Romeo. This is a size large. It's a little bit better piece though. That one is just so plain. That's why I wouldn't list that. I might list this, or I might just stick it in the box. But yeah, it has a pattern on it. Oh, okay. So far, nothing real exciting, but let's see, what's this? This looks promising. Current Air. I've heard of this brand before. I think I actually have something listed in my closet from this brand. It's like an online boutique brand, I believe, but it is new with tags again, and it is, it says the original retail price was $99. It's a size small. This is actually really cute. I wonder if I could find a stock photo for it. Has this like pleated ruffle tiered thing going on. That's actually cute. Surprised so much new with tag stuff. It's very interesting. This is Theory. That's exciting. It's a size 8. Here's the tag. It is an older label, but is this a romper? No, it's a wrap dress. That's really cute, actually. I feel like that will do pretty well. Okay, not bad about that. Let's see. This is Julie Brown NYC, size 10. I've never heard of that brand, but it's very cute. It's got the, what is that called? No, I can't remember the name of it when it has the texture like that. Anyway, yeah, it's like a little wrap blouse, and it has the sheer flutter sleeve and that texture to it, which I cannot think of what that's called. By the way, I know you guys can see it, but I slammed my finger in the door the other day, so Pardon my black nail. It's not, I know it looks bad. I slammed it in the door, in a door jamb pretty hard. This is just Pink Republic size extra small. This is not something I will list, but it is really cute. I'll see if my daughter wants it. If she doesn't, I will. I do bulk boxes sometimes with just no name brands like that on Facebook, and they usually move pretty quickly. I sell them for like $1 a piece, pretty cheap. Next up, this is Laundry by Shelly Segal. The size was cut out, unfortunately. And it is a very old style dress. There's like a floral pattern on the top, solid black bottom. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I doubt I'll list it. I'm not sure. We'll count all the items at the end because I have lost track. Here's more Calvin Klein. This one's a size 8. And it is like a pretty basic 3/4 sleeve. It does have an interesting design in the center there. Just a sheath dress. I will probably list that and just use the term dark academia, but I don't expect much for that, maybe $25. This is Massimo. New tags again though. So much new tags. Size 4, it's a little black pleated skirt. It's cute, really cute, but unfortunately doesn't have a very good resale value. What are you? More new tags, what in the world? But I've never heard of these. They look like, I'll show you, they look like cheap Miss Me jeans. They don't, Rose Royce is the brand. So I don't know if this brand is worth anything. Here's the tag, size 31. But they look like Miss Me jeans, like they're trying to be like the Miss Me jeans, which their style of Miss Me jeans I feel like is coming back into popularity with the whole Y2K thing, but I don't know. I'll have to look up that brand when I'm done filming. This is Ann Taylor Factory, size 00 petite, pair of black trouser pants. It looks like they're a cropped length, or just maybe because they're petite. No, they definitely look like a crop length. But yeah, those trouser pants are selling again for me. They weren't for a long time with the whole COVID thing, but now that people are back to work, some of that is moving, so probably list those. I'm trying to find the top of this really pretty dress. Ah, yay! Okay, it only takes one good thing in these boxes to really make it worth it, right? This is a beautiful dress. It's a green floral. I'll show it to you in a second. So it's Faithful, the brand, and this one is a size small, and it's is it a wrap dress? No, it just has a tie on it. It's a button down. Oh, how cute is this? Little ties on the, I'll definitely find a stock photo for this, but it has ties on the sleeve and it also has a built-in belt on the back. And I would say it's a midi length. I'm excited about that. That will definitely make the box worth it. Let's see. What are you? Oh, EC New York, size small. I think that's how you say that. I'm not sure. This is a brand that I never pick up, but this is a really cute piece. It's got like a ribbed material, and it's probably just past the knees, I would say. And it's a pencil skirt, but it's got stretch to it. That's actually really cute. I don't think I'll list it, but I feel like someone's gonna want it. This is a New Day, so Target. New tags though, size small. So I'm not sure what I'll do with that yet. I definitely have enough new tag stuff to do a reseller box. Maybe I'll do that. Oh, I'm gonna see if my daughter wants this. This is Romwe, so it's like fast fashion. If you haven't heard of it, it's like Shein. But again, new tag, size small, and it's cute. A little ribbed top. That's the thing about these brands though. They're always like so trendy, but the quality is not good. All right, next we have more new tags. This is H&M, and it's a size 14 button down top. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these lower tier brands that are new tags, you guys. I'm not sure. This is Loft, size medium. This will definitely go in one of my reseller boxes. I have one just for Loft that needs a few more pieces to be finished. So if you guys are wondering what I'm talking about, I'll have a link down below. I have a second Poshmark closet where I sell reseller boxes. I just opened it and I'm building my first set of boxes. I want to have 10 completed boxes before I launch it, and I'm getting close. So this should be posting some there soon, so keep an eye out. This is Joy Lab, which is Target, size small, and it's just a pair of leggings. They're cute though. but I might see if my daughter wants these as well. They have little tie-dye at the bottom there. All right, the last roll, you guys. Hopefully there's one more like really awesome thing in here. I don't know this brand. It looks like a Lily Pulitzer, but it's not. This is the label. I'm not sure if that's a P or a C at the beginning. I think it's a P, so Papagala. I don't know. Let me know if you're familiar with this one. I'll look up comps after I film this, but it's a size 8, really pretty, brightly colored, floral, casual dress. It has actually scallops at the bottom. That's cute. Definitely reminds me of Lily Pulitzer, but don't know that particular brand, so I'll have to look that up. Next, we have another pencil skirt. This is Banana Republic, size 00. Cute little burgundy color pencil skirt. More new tags. Oh my goodness. Not this one, but the next piece. Banana Republic soft wash shirt. There it is, size small. That's cute. I'll list that. Just a cute blue plaid shirt. And the condition on everything has been fantastic so far. This is, I don't know, what are you? Devotion by Cyrus. I don't know this brand. It's a size extra, extra small. And it is new with tags, but it doesn't have a retail price on it. It's a ribbed turtleneck dress, maybe? I think it's a dress, like a mini dress. It looks like it. So no idea. I'll have to look that one up. All right, the last piece. We're going to count these when I'm all done. Yay, Lululemon. Okay, not one I would have picked up, but that's okay. It does still have its pull tag. It's a size 10 Lululemon. I probably wouldn't have picked these up just because they're crop length, which are really hard for me to move. But at least they're a solid black. That definitely helps. And they're size 10, so that's a good size. There is some wear right here, a little bit of pilling. So I will use my depiller to see if I can clean that up. There's the Lulu logo. So that's everything, you guys. I'm gonna count it up and we'll talk about it. 1 second. They actually sent me 26 items, so that's awesome. I got a bonus item. Just so you guys know, I have been shorted items before, and all you have to do is send an email to Thredup and they'll send you a refund for the difference. So anyways, overall thoughts on this box. It's not the best one that I've gotten, but it's not the worst either. It's pretty decent, I would say. I think I'll make my money back just on the Faithful dress, and then the rest will be profit, but I don't know how many pieces. I didn't separate it. I don't know how many of these pieces I'll actually list. Maybe 5 or 6. I think the majority of them are going to go in bulk boxes because they're just not worth my time to list individually. Let me see, what did I pay per item? 1 second. Okay, so because the box was over like $59, I did not pay shipping, so my total was like $68. So when I divided that by 26 items, it was like $2.60-ish per piece. So, I mean, that's a pretty low cost of goods, but when I usually figure out these boxes, and I'll do this later when I'm not filming, I'll separate like what I'm actually gonna sell and what I'm not gonna sell, and then I divide it that way, if that makes sense. So let's say I only list 6 items, I would divide my cost of goods by 6 rather than 26, because most of these items I'm not gonna list. But for the items that I'm not individually gonna list in my Poshmark closet, I'm still gonna make a little bit of money back because I'm gonna sell them in bulk boxes. So almost everything here was in sellable condition. I won't sell it if it has like a major flaw or something, but everything here was in good condition, so I will be able to sell it. It's just I might only make $1 off the item rather than, you know, a decent profit. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing today. Just a little bit of something fun and different. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.